So yes, you will definitely see the video that I'm going to record the video. So whoever is not present here, I will share the video so that you can see.
सर आपके कंपनी के नाम का मीनिंग क्या बनता है?
मैम इसका मतलब होता है एम, ध्येय मतलब होता है एम, एंड इट्स अ संस्कृत वर्ड और इसका मतलब होता है एम।
और किस तरह प्रोनाउंस करते हैं?
ध्येयम, इट्स अ ध्येयम।
ध्येयम, ओके, ध्येयम। क्या नाम है? ध्येयम।
I'm taking too much time, but pardon me. The last candle is just left. Yeah, it's done now. Okay, so before doing that,
Sir, please put yourself on spotlight.
yeah, I am. I think I'm on a spotlight. Yes. Yes, I am in a spotlight. Yes. Okay. So now it's time to cut the cake. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to cut the cake, and after that, Pankaj will be here, who is our designer, who will just share you our logo. Okay. So Pankaj is also here. Thank you so much, Pankaj, for being here. I'm just going to cut the cake. So everyone, hip hip hooray!
Hooray.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence Day, all.
Happy Independence Day. And on this occasion of Independence Day, I'm going to start the new venture. And so 1, 2, 3.
Oh, clap.
Congratulations. Happy Independence. Happy Independence Day.
बचा।
Yay!
Hey.
And this cake is for all of you. Open your mouth. I'm sharing this for all of you.
Thank you, thank you.
दादू सब लोग बाय बाय कर दो, बाय बाय। दादू बैठने जा रहे हैं, सब लोग बाय बाय करो। हाँ, अभी आप लोग जाना नहीं है, दादू को बाय बोलना है।
दादू ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते ना। ध्यान से।
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And just requesting for, okay, this is for my mother.
Congrats, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. और ये मेरी दोनों माता जी लोग हैं और मैं उनको भी स्पॉटलाइट पे करता हूँ। केक तो आप लोगों ने देख लिया है, अब मैं उनको भी स्पॉटलाइट पे कर देता हूँ।
देखो मम्मा को देखो भाई, सर की मम्मा।
ओके, स्टॉप द वीडियो, खाली वीडियो स्टॉप। Okay, so my mother is on spot, will be on spotlight now. Devanshu.
Yes, yeah.
Arey!
Arey.
Yay!
Yeah. Yeah.
Yay!
Hooray.
Clapping, everyone! Come on! Yay! Okay,
Sir, तो
so
बूढ़े
I'm
हो गए।
going to share on spotlight to my mother. हिमांशु मम्मी नहीं है क्या अभी, है नहीं?
है तो
नमस्ते।
अच्छा है ओके 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 सो यस सो अभी आप देख रहे हो, ये मेरी मम्मी है और ये मेरी मौसी है, ये मेरी देवकी माँ है और ये मेरी यशोदा माँ है. सो आई गॉट द टू मदर्स.
और ये मासी जैसे मैं दीदा जी की.
Okay, so yes, everyone. Okay, take it out.
ये
मम्मी भी
virtually
आशीर्वाद दे रही है दूर से. मम्मी
मम्मी
मेरी वाराणसी
मम्मी
में है.
वर्चुअली केक दे रही है आपको, ले लीजिए, मोबाइल में पड़ा हुआ है।
मोबाइल में केक दे रही मम्मी मेरी. वो अभी वाराणसी में है, मैं अभी अयोध्या में हूँ. सो दोनों ही जगह सब दोनों माँ है. ओके, सो नाउ before doing that, I want to my friends to come up, please. Friend, hello. Yes. Hello, Saurabh. Shreskar and now Saurabh. Or Saurabh. Arif. So he's my friend, childhood friend, Arif. He's also my one of the best friend, Arpit.
हेलो।
हेलो।
Thank you. ये मेरे से बहुत छोटा है, but he still is my friend. His name is Mukhar. Yeah. And now one of my childhood friend, Bhavneet, is here. हमारे सरदार जी. He is always late.
हेलो।
So, and this is for my brother, Himanshu, and for this is for my twins brother Himanshu and Divyanshu. I will just going to put both of them on spotlight. So yes, and okay, so it's time to talk to all of you. So it's a lot of cake, and this is so much. I'm so much glad to see all of you. I'm so much glad to see all of you. And okay, so here my twins brother are here. So before doing that, I want Pankaj. Okay, so I'm going to spotlight on the spotlight. Pankaj is here. So everyone, he is Pankaj. So big hand applause for Pankaj. He is the designer of our Dheyam Arts and Cultural Society. He just designed our logo. So now, Pankaj, I'm requesting you to publish and share our logo.
Hi guys. Hi all of you.
हेलो।
Sudhanshu, I just want permission from you to share.
Okay. Yes. Wait. I'm just giving the permission. Yeah, wait. Okay, I'll just make you host so that you can do it. Yeah, Saurabh. Pankaj, now you are host.
So just sharing my screen. So before sharing the logo, I just want to say that it is just the spirit of Sudhanshu that made it possible for us to design a logo for him. As I knew Sudhanshu, he is a great visionary and uh, understand the true spirit of arts and culture things. So here it is for Sudhanshu. So this is Dheyam, Arts and Culture Society.
Thank you. Clapping.
As the
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah,
Congratulations.
yeah. Go ahead,
So-
Pankaj.
so this is Dheyam. As the logo name speaks for itself, Dheyam means like a
Pankaj, your voice is slow. Can you just enhance your voice? Huh? Please just
Yeah.
enhance your little voice. Huh?
yeah. So I want to say that as the name speaks for itself, Dheyam is very kind of Sanskrit word, like meditating, focusing on something, and arts requires a whole lot of focus. And the logo is very clear, typeface is very clear, and there is a thing that a guy is moving forward with having a cinematoscope, or you can see the real kind of thing on its back, which ultimately show the level of arts in our society, the level of art that Sudhanshu understands. So he's the founder of Dheyam. So as it is dedicated to Sudhanshu. So I am sharing some of the concepts with you guys. It is just a surprise for Sudhanshu also. Be ready for it. So here I give the first business card to Sudhanshu.
Wow.
Just the concept.
Yeah, literally, it's a surprise for me.
So it's pure concept. Hope we can do some this concept in reality someday.
Yeah, definitely.
This is another
Oh,
concept.
nice.
This is something for the merchandise.
Oh, wow.
This is our T-shirt.
So this is our Sudhanshu,
Friend.
the director.
Oh
And,
my God.
and this is that. I don't
That's
have
a
the
far
photo.
apart journey.
everyone.
That's a very fortunate to have you, Pankaj, and just such a visionary. That's such a great vision you have that you are watching and doing all this.
Then we have an facade type of DM logo. So this is just a pure concept.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my
This is
God.
for Sudhanshu.
सर मेरी शर्ट कब आएगी?
बहुत जल्दी आएगी. Just give your order to Pankaj sir. Just give your order to Pankaj sir. He will handle everything. I don't have any authority. He is the authority.
And this is the concept poster for DM.
Yes, and this one is the
So-
for acting workshop for children. Yeah.
So these are just a concept for Sudhanshu. I hope he will have a great success ahead with DM.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pankaj. And now please make me host. Are you done, Pankaj?
Yeah, I'm done.
Thank you so much and clapping for Pankaj. Big round of applause for Pankaj.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
And Yeah, so I am host now, I think, and I'm going to make host to Nishant. Nishant. Yeah, Nishant is there.
Yes,
Yeah, Nishant, I can't see you. Where are you? Just open your video, Nishant.
can you see
Yeah,
me now?
yeah, sure, sure. Nishant, okay, I'm making him. Nishant, where is?
Hello, Nishant sir.
Yeah, they recognize you. I think.
Hi. Hi, Shania. How are you doing?
Feeling good, sir.
Great to know that.
So Pankaj is host. Pankaj, please make me host. I think you are still host. Pankaj,
Wait.
Pankaj, you are still host. Please make me host, Pankaj.
How to make you host? I don't know the Zoom.
Okay, just go on the participants. Just go on the participants.
Yeah.
Okay. Nishant is host now. Okay. Done. Nishant is host now. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so Nishant is there. Nishant, make me on a spotlight and put Himanshu on spotlight. So he is my brother, Himanshu, and he will add some line for you. Himanshu is here. Yeah, Nishant, please put Himanshu on spotlight. Nishant,
Yeah.
are you there?
Yes, I have already made him on spotlight. Can you see him?
Afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being there for the opening ceremony of Dheyam Arts and Culture Society. I'm very much blessed to have my elder brother like Sudhanshu Srivastav and my supporting family. Thank you for my all my family members and all the energy packets like kids and all the audience and all the parents who are joining this meeting and making this event very special. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell you about my story, that how arts and culture changed my life. My brother know that I'm a very shy person in up to class 12th or intermediate. But when I joined my college, so definitely I started working some cultural activity, and I'm shocked that it's really changed my life, because it's given me a lot of confidence when I faced audience from the stage. So really for this generation kids, really arts and culture is very important, because if a person like me being confident and being expressive to the public, being able to perform in front of audience, so that everybody can do these things. So I'm very proud that Sudhanshu, my brother, is doing very great job to bring uh, children's and all the publics to this place. Thank you.
Thank you
Bhaiya.
so much. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Very nice. And he's my brother. He's not well, and still he wants to speak. So so my brother Nishant, please one more. Just Divyanshu is also here, and they both are my twin brothers. Yeah. Thank you so much, Bhavishka. Happy Independence Day. And now, yes, my twins brother, my third brother, Divyanshu is here. So Divyanshu, can you please tell us about something?
Hello, everyone. First
Wow.
of all, a very happy Independence Day. And on this precious moment, we are sharing Dheyam Arts and Cultural Society to all of you. this is a very much encouraging and enthusiastic moment also, because in this pandemic situations, we are tired of very negative situations. So in this in this online medium, how we can entertain kids and make someone happy. And so art is a very arts are very creative things that it interacts to all of you. So on this beautiful moment, and my as I am as a younger brother of my brother, so and you, we can share this society.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and wonderful to be here with all of you. And okay, बहुत सारा हम लोगों ने अभी बातचीत कर लिया, थोड़ा एक बार बच्चों का डांस भी हो जाए तो मजा आ जाए, है ना? आप लोग सारे बच्चे एक्साइटेड हो ना? मैं थोड़ा सा डांस प्ले कर देता हूँ, ये चीज रह गई है. So Shanaya, Maisha, Ritvi, Arish, and so first of all, I want to say thanks to joining everyone. Shashi ma'am, thank you so much. Shashi ma'am, please open your video. Shashi ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, I want to see and wave hand. And Nayan, thank you so much. Ruchi ma'am and
Sir, we are traveling, so video off तो नहीं होगा.
okay ma'am, it's okay. Thank you so much. Arish, open your video, and Nayan,
I'm
thank
sorry,
you so much.
we are
Nayan.
late. Sir,
No, ma'am,
Divyansh
it's okay.
wants to say hi.
No,
Say
it's
hi.
okay, ma'am. That's perfectly fine.
Hi.
Thank you, Nayan and Ritvi.
Hi.
Okay, and
Hi,
Shanaya is ready, Ritvi is
Welcome.
ready, Advik, Maisha, everyone is ready. I'm going to play the video on the occasion of this Independence Day. So everyone, we will join some hand. Okay, I'm going to put the song. I'm going to play the song.
The wireless device has connected successfully.
And this song is for all of you. And I want to see everyone. Everyone, come on, dance. Come on, everyone. I want to rock with you. Come on, everyone. Just open your video and don't shy. Just kill it. Just kill it. Nishant, why are you hiding yourself?
तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा. ओ हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा. जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी. पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले. कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले. हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. Okay. So now everyone, it's time to, I think my chartered accountant is not here. I think he's busy somewhere, so that he's also being there like Pankaj. So now I am just requesting, who is there? I think. Okay, so Maisha, open your audio, Maisha, and put Maisha on spotlight, Nishant. Yeah, Maisha, you can sing something for us. Yeah, or you can act something for us. Maisha, just speak loudly. कुछ भी आपको जो भी आपको आता है आप कुछ सुना सकते हो हमें.
forgot.
What you forgot? You forgot everything. Everything. Acha, you can say Happy Independence Day. You can say. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, Advik, please put Advik on spotlight, Nishant. Advik, you are so much excited, na? So you want to see the cake. Now you saw the cake and now it's your time. Just Nishant, just make Advik. Yeah, Advik. थोड़ा जाओ पीछे, थोड़ा सा. Yes. Now, speak something for us. जो भी आपको आता है वो आप सुनाओ हमें.
Yes, I can speak German.
हाँ, yes. थोड़ा जाओ पीछे. हाँ, yes, yes. Now it's good. Now, just speak whatever you want. Okay. Stand up, everyone.
विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे जन गण अधिनायक भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय
भारत माता की जय. Very good, very good. Jai Hind. Yes, Shanaya. Now put Shanaya on spotlight. Shanaya.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, Advik. Now, Shanaya, please, Shanaya, you can sing or dance something for us. Shanaya, if you want any song, just tell us. कोई song आपको पसंद है, Shanaya? कौन सा song लगा दे बता दो.
देशभक्ति.
देशभक्ति में कौन सा song? इंडिया वाला लगा दे फिर से.
Stand playing.
कौन सा?
Stand playing.
What are you saying? You are not clear. Again say.
Sir, I am playing myself.
Okay, you are playing yourself. Okay, great. Just remove your background. I think you should be very okay with your. Yes, Shanaya, go ahead. Yeah, great. Very nice. Now unmute yourself, Shanaya, and start.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून पाकिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए.
Thank you.
Well done.
Good, Shanaya.
Very nice, Shanaya. Very nice.
Very nice,
Shanaya.
very nice.
And now I think who is there? Shanti, Sharvi, are you there?
सुनाना
हाँ, yes, yes, सुनाओ. हाँ, yes. हाँ, सुनाओ आपकी. हाँ, सुनाओ. दिव्यांश, सुना बेटा.
आप यही सुना दो, कोई बात नहीं, वी आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड।
हाँ जी.
वो खून कहो किस मतलब का, ओके
वो
चलो।
खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं, तो खून कहो किस मतलब का जो आ सके देश के काम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें ना जीवन ना रवानी, जो पर्वत सोकर बहता है खून नहीं पानी है। उस दिन सही लोगों ने खून की कीमत जानी थी,
जिस दिन सुभाष ने
वर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी। जय हिंद।
वो लाइन
Very good. Very nice.
तुम मुझे
Well done, दिव्यांश.
अभी एक शेर सुनाओ।
हाँ, एक मिनट निश्चला को बोलने दे बेटा. प्लीज निश्चला को स्पॉटलाइट में कर दो. निशांत, निश्चला को. हाँ.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये दुल्सिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। जय हिंद।
Very good. Now put.
सर मुझे आपके लिए कुछ गाना है।
अरे मेरे लिए गाओ. हाँ, गाओ. How cute.
जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा,
वाह, वेरी
जो
गुड.
छूटा तो कौन रहेगा,
लिटिल लाउडर।
तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं।
Very good.
सर रुकिए, अभी और भी है।
अच्छा, अभी और. हाँ. Yes. हाँ. Yes. We are hearing.
लौन चलिए हार जाऊं, अड्डा करे फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं, एक सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को मैं, तेरा जा रहा हूँ मैं।
हो गया?
Done?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Awesome.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I
welcome.
want to play one song on piano.
हाँ, yes. Just a minute. Just बेटा एक बार अभी और लोग से बात करें, फिर अभी सुनते हैं. Yes. So okay. Here is Nayan. So hello Nayan. Please put Nayan on spotlight. Nayan for a while. Nayan, जो भी आपको नयन हमारे साथ बहुत पुराने टाइम में नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा की वर्कशॉप में हम लोग मिले थे, और शी इज वंडरफुल एक्ट्रेस. जस्ट कीप क्लैपिंग फॉर नयन रघुवंशी. शी इज वंडरफुल एक्ट्रेस एंड शी इज फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा एंड जस्ट टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप इन नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा, एंड नाउ नयन इज हियर. सो नयन, अप टू यू.
सबसे पहले हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. और तुम्हें मैंने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया सुधांशु, मुझे पता नहीं है, बट हाँ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन तुम्हें और सभी बच्चों को मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. अच्छा, अभी एक पजल है, मुझे सब अपनी अपनी एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे तो मुझे अपना एक बचपन का एक एक्टिविटी याद आया. ओके, सो मैं एक सॉन्ग है उसको मैं अलग तरीके से गाऊंगी, ठीक है? मैं उतनी अच्छी सिंगर नहीं हूँ, पर ठीक है, तो माफ करना उसके लिए. आपको सभी को, सभी स्टूडेंट्स को, सभी बच्चों को, इनफैक्ट बड़ों को भी ये सोचना पड़ेगा वो कौन सा सॉन्ग है, ठीक है? ओके, स्टार्ट करें? प्लीज सिंगिंग के लिए माफी. हाँ,
I can understand.
रामे मार्क तू रामे माधतु राते बस छकू मैं राते बस छकू तू
मेरा कर्म
रह मरक ना पांगरक ऐन तवरे तेली लदिया दी है न जा भी गेंदे ऐन तवरे तेली दिल दिया है
अरे बताने दो हाँ, who will guess just guess everyone.
ओके शनाया
शनाया
ने hand raised. Very good. So sweet. आपने अभी परफॉर्म भी किया था ना शनाया इस सॉन्ग पर?
यस मैम।
गुड, वो मुझे
Yes.
इसीलिए रिकॉल हुआ, ये मेरी बचपन की एक्टिविटी है। मैंने इस सॉन्ग को उल्टा सीखा था और लर्न करके मैं बहुत गाती थी।
yeah.
So that's it.
So thank you so much, Nayan. Thank you so much. Clapping for Nayan.
Welcome.
And now it's I'm going to ask Ojaswita ma'am. Ojaswita ma'am is here. So please say a few words for us, Ojaswita ma'am. Nishant, please put her on a spotlight. Ojaswita ma'am. And she's a very kind parent of mine. She was being with me since I think 3 years now. And I also took her class, like she was also want me कि सर मुझे भी आप क्लास दिया करो. So truly blessed to have you, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Please आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? Yes, ma'am. You are audible. आप बोल सकती हैं, मैम. जी मैम, आप बोलिए. आप विजिबल हैं. जी मैम बोलिए. आपकी आवाज आ रही है. हाँ बोलिए मैम.
हाँ, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी आपकी आवाज आ रही है मैम. जी मैम आपकी आवाज आ रही है. आप बोलिए.
हाँ बताइए, क्या
आपको जो है, आपको क्या लगता है, आपके अकॉर्डिंग आप कुछ ब्लेसिंग देना चाहती हैं हमें? कुछ भी, आप बहुत पुराना हमारा आपका जो है एक हम लोग जो है साथ में, आपके बच्ची ने हमारे साथ स्टार्ट किया था, तो आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
हाँ, रियली मुझे मैंने जब थिएटर करवाया था सृजा का आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में, तो उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ा था उसको। बाद में लॉकडाउन में भी मैंने करवाया था और हम भी सीखे थे आपके साथ, तो बहुत इफेक्ट आया। और सृजा आज क्लास नहीं कर रही है, बट रियली मुझे लगता है ना, आपका वो जैसे नहीं बोलते कि पूरा वो गुण ले ली है सृजा, बिल्कुल ऐसे रियल एक्टिंग करती है ना, रोने की भी, मतलब बहुत अजीब से। कल भी एक्टिंग करी थी, मैंने उसको यही बोला कि तुम्हें ना सुधांशु सर का पूरा गुण आ गया है। बिल्कुल एक्टिंग ऐसे कर देगी कि मतलब मुझे लगा कि सचमुच ये रो रही है, बट वो उसका एक्टिंग होता है।
जी थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू सो मच.
हेलो सृजा, हाउ आर यू? ग्रो करोगे सर, ये मेरा विश आशीर्वाद सब कुछ है आपके लिए।
जी थैंक यू सो मच.
अच्छा करोगे, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, now Geetika ma'am is there. Please, Nishant, put Geetika ma'am on spotlight. And she was very kind. She is very kind, and उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे support किया. I think Komal ma'am अभी चली गई हैं. So Geetika ma'am, please say a few words for us. I got lot of learning from you. So Geetika ma'am, thank you for being with you, for being here. And Nishant, please put Geetika ma'am on the spotlight.
Good evening all. Hi Sudhanshu sir.
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'm very glad to see all your family members also here.
Yeah. My grandfather, my mother, and all.
Yes. Yeah. आंटी, मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, आपका जो बेटा है ना, ये मल्टी टैलेंटेड है. He is multi talented. You are blessed to have. आप अयोध्या रहते हैं तो आपके घर में राम ने ही जन्म लिया है. He is a great person as a human, as an actor, as a professional. all-rounder, all-rounder.
Thank
We
you so
have
much,
worked
ma'am.
for 1 year collectively. अभी हम लॉकडाउन में हैं, so अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हम इकट्ठे रहते हैं, but anytime, anywhere we need his support, he is always there. And children, those who are taking the classes from him, children, be in touch with sir, he is the best. आप इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखोगे, पढ़ाई भी सीख सकते हो. आप बच्चों को पता नहीं होगा, he is a physics teacher, he is a graduate in physics. So remember this, acting के साथ साथ आप पढ़ाई भी सीख सकते हो सर से. तो सर का साथ नहीं छोड़ना है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's
looking forward to see you and meet you soon. Everything goes well and come back to Delhi.
yeah, definitely, ma'am. I'm just dying to come. And yeah, and it's Nishant. So Nishant, please, Nishant, मैं चाहता हूँ Nishant फिर भी सामने आए. Nishant, and I want to tell Nishant, please put yourself on spotlight. And Nishant is host now, and he is the one of the best teacher also with me as well. So Nishant is doing the theater since I think 4 and 5 years ago, and he has also his own group. But Nishant, I'm not competing you. You and me are different. So Nishant, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm a
Thank
little
you.
bit jealous that you are here. Sorry to say, but I'm very much in love that you are here, Nishant. Thank you so much, Nishant. Please say a few words for us, Nishant.
Can you all see me?
No, Nishant, open your video. I think you are not busy. Yes, Nishant. Yes, you are. Yeah. Welcome, Nishant. Clapping for Nishant, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nishant.
सबसे पहले तो सुधांशु, मैं तुम नहीं बुलाते तो भी मैं घुस ही आता कि सुधांशु आज क्या कुछ नया कर रहा होगा, मुझे कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. तो इट इज नॉट जस्ट यू कॉल मी कि आओ चलो परफॉर्मेंसेस देख लो, बट इट इज आल्सो मी समवेयर इनसाइड कि इसकी परफॉर्मेंसेस सारी देख लेता हूँ और चोरी कर लेता हूँ. क्योंकि आई नो हाउ ग्रेट एज अ टीचर यू हैव बीन, एंड आई नो यू फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो तब से मैं देख रहा हूँ, स्पेशली आपका चिल्ड्रन थिएटर वर्कशॉप. मतलब आप ऑफ कोर्स यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, एडल्ट एंड प्रोफेशनल एक्टिंग आप खुद भी करते हो, बट व्हेन आई सी योर कमांड ऑन चिल्ड्रन थिएटर वर्कशॉप, I feel very jealous कि शायद मेरे पास और भी थोड़ा अच्छा कमांड होता. Then I see, और इसका एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल ये है कि अभी ये सब शनाया and so many students right now here, you know, they are not, I don't feel that they are just students, you know. उनका मुझे लगता है आपने एक ऐसा magnetic connection बना लिया है उनके साथ कि they are going to be with you for a very long time, and that's the best part कि being a teacher. क्योंकि I don't know if I should say this or not, but आजकल हम लोग especially in the world of this online world, हम लोगों के साथ क्या हो गया है कि हम लोग अपने टीचर्स को याद भी नहीं रख पाते, और ऑनलाइन टीचर्स में तो 2 साल के लोगों की 11th-12th हो गई. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो जब पीछे मुड़ के देखेंगे तो अपने टीचर्स को याद कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि एक स्क्रीन पे एक टीचर था and then suddenly he disappeared. But आपके साथ ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो ऐसे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के साथ चिपक गए हैं that clearly shows कि आप कितना कुछ उनको दे रहे हो, कितना वो आपके साथ सेफ फील करते हैं, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली सेफ फील करते हैं, कितना आपके साथ वो हेल्दी और एंजॉय एक एक्साइटमेंट फील करते हैं. तो दैट्स एंड और अब तो आपने बिल्कुल नया लोगो, नए कपड़े, नए जूते सब बना लिया है. तो that is so great, and I wish you all the luck for it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I want to sing a song for all of you that I used to do. If you don't tell me, I will also start. So please make me on the spotlight, and I'm going to sing this song for the occasion of this one. And I want everyone to join with me. Please stand up, and I want everyone to join with all my friends and singing the song for all of you. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, होगी शांति चारों, नहीं किसी का डर, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। Thank you so much. Thank you for making this day wonderful for me, and thank you for all of you, Nayan, Ujaswita ma'am, Nishant, Nischala, and your mother, father, and my mother also, mummy, Divyanshu, my brother, Himanshu, my brother, Shanaya, and your mother, Sapna ma'am, and Maisha, and your mother, Deepika ma'am. Pankaj, thank you so much. How can I express my feelings? I don't have word for you. Himanshu, Advik, and Ariman, he's also there, and Shashi ma'am, thank you so much, and thank you so much, Divyansh, Geetika ma'am, Komal ma'am, every one of you. If I forget any name, just pardon me. I'm putting my hand on my ears, and I'm thanking here Mukhar and Arpit and Saurabh, Shreskar, Bhavneet, and Arif, and Bhavneet Singh, my friend, and my mother, Mamta Srivastava, and my grandfather. Clapping for him, Sri Christian Srivastava, the one and only who is behind all my success. He is the pillar of my family. He is the best person I have ever met. Honorable Sri Christian Srivastava, for him. Clapping for him. Without him, it's none possible. Whatever I am, जो भी मैं अपने जीवन में जो भी कुछ कर पाया हूँ, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन्हीं के कारण है. I want to see him. Here is it, and come on, please clapping for him. He is there. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. If anyone want to say anything, you can say. And that I am just going to end this meeting. I think everyone. Yes. So done, everyone. Now finally एक बार फिर से आप लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे और जनगण मन करेंगे.
शनाया को कुछ बोलना है.
Yes. किसे बोलना है?
शनाया.
Yes, Shania. बोलो Shania. Yes, Shania. You want to see some?
शेर बोलना है मुझे.
किससे बोलना है?
शेर.
हाँ, शेर बोलो. हाँ, शेर आ गया क्या? शेर आ भी जाएगा अभी. अच्छा, शेर आया नहीं, शेर बोलना है. हाँ, बोलो.
बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहाँ रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने, मन में सदा उस तिरंगे को बसाए रखना. जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक हो. जय हिंद.
Jai Bharat. Okay, everyone, please stand up and final one more time for the national anthem. Happy Independence Day. Yeah. Thank you so much, Pankaj. Thank you so much. Jan Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Gujarat Maratha Dravida Himachal
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे
Jai Maata ki jai.
जय।
Rocks. Deyam rocks. Deyam rocks.
Deyam rock.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
And
Bye.
we will meet you soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
Bye
you.
bye to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
Nayan.